All right, we are going to continue our reading of the Dinosaur Fact Tracker book. We're going to move on to chapter number 4 and think about flesh eaters. As dinosaur hunters dug up more and more fossils, they realized that there were hundreds of different kinds of dinosaurs. Soon, they started sorting them into groups. The simplest way to sort the dinosaurs is by what they ate. Some dinosaurs ate flesh. Others ate only plants. Most people call the flesh-eating dinosaurs meat eaters. But flesh eaters didn't just eat meat. They ate everything. Bones, brains, guts, and even eyeballs. How do we know what dinosaurs ate? Paleontologists use clues from fossils to figure out the kinds of food a dinosaur ate. Sometimes bones from other animals are found inside of a dinosaur. That means the dinosaur must have been a flesh eater. Some fossil teeth are short and flat. They wouldn't have been good for ripping flesh. So the dinosaur they belonged to must have been a plant eater. Sometimes a dinosaur's droppings were fossilized. If the droppings contained seeds, it means the dinosaur was a plant eater. If they contained ground up pieces of bone, the dinosaur must have been a flesh eater. Paleontologists think all of the very first dinosaurs were flesh eaters. The earliest dinosaur fossils ever discovered from a flesh eater about the size of a goose. Paleontologists named this dinosaur Eoraptor. Eoraptor means dawn robber. Eoraptor lived on Earth over 225 million years ago at the dawn of the age of dinosaurs. Paleontologists think Eoraptor and other early dinosaurs probably ate insects and small lizards. Flesh-eating dinosaurs came in many sizes, but they all had a similar shape. The flesh eaters walked and ran on their hind legs. They usually had small arms. Most of them had long, strong tails. Their mouths were full of very sharp teeth. Paleontologists think that the flesh eaters hardly ever stood up straight when they ran. They used their tails for balance, and they leaned very far forward, like this. Our favorite flesh eaters, Coelophysis was one of the earliest dinosaurs. Paleontologists think the light bones and long legs made Coelophysis a very strong, fast runner. Fossil hunters in New Mexico have found dozens of Coelophysis skeletons on a ranch called Ghost Ranch. Some people say that every night on the Ghost Ranch, Coelophysis ghosts come out and dance. So good vision, jagged teeth, strong finger claws. All right, Velociraptor. Oh, I skipped one. Troodon. Paleontologists believe Troodon was the smartest dinosaur that ever lived. Its brain was very big for the size of its body. Troodon's teeth were smaller than a human's, but they had jagged edges and very sharp points. And Troodon was fast. Paleontologists think it could run nearly 30 miles per hour. The fastest humans can run only about 23 miles per hour. Velociraptor had a long, sharp claw on each foot. Ooh, look at that. And it could chuck up the claw out of the way when it ran. When it captured its prey, it can bring the claw down to attack it. In 1971, dinosaur hunters found fossils of Velociraptor along with another dinosaur. The Velociraptor was holding the other dinosaur's skull in a tight grip. It looked like it was using its special claw to slice the other dinosaur's stomach. That must have been a very fast, covered with mud to capture that. Baryonyx had a snout like a crocodile's. It had twice as many teeth as other flesh eaters, and it had a claw on each hand that was long and sharp like a spear. Look at those. That's amazing. Paleontologists think Baryonyx must have used its thumb spear to catch fish. Why? Because the first Baryonyx skeleton ever discovered had a half-eaten fish dinner in its stomach. Oh, that is good evidence. Tyrannosaurus rex T-Rex is the most famous flesh-eating dinosaur of all time. Its sharp teeth, that had sharp teeth, many were more than 6 inches long. It had a head the size of a bathtub. One T-Rex mouthful of food could feed a whole family of humans for weeks. T-Rex had big, sharp, strong legs, but its arms were so short that it couldn't even reach its mouth. Paleontologists are still trying to figure out how, or even if, T-Rex used its tiny arms. Gigantosaurus. So far, only one Gigantosaurus skeleton has been found, but paleontologists believe this giant flesh eater was even bigger than T-Rex. Dinosaur hunters are looking for more Gigantosaurus skeletons. It's possible that when they find them, Gigantosaurus will replace T-Rex as the king of the flesh-eating dinosaurs. All right, scientists, tomorrow we will read about plant eaters. Thank you for tuning in to our Dinosaur Fact Tracker.